made it home just in time for Matariki, the Māori New Year, a sacred time to pause, to remember those who have passed, and to set intentions for the year ahead.
Mai a mātou, mai a māua tupuna, ki o koutou ake tupuna, tēnei mātou whakamānawa atu nei. Now we perform various incantations, and this here is where we are aligning all the various foods that we collect and harvest. So to allow us to neutralize and to stay grounded to our earth, we must eat something from here. So this is our way that we can connect to the spiritual, to the natural, and also to the physical realms, similar to your people and to your ancestors. Thank you for making our hautapu special today.
Oh yeah!